We're the dedicated Full Harvest team. Today, our MURP workshop centers around food for all and the community of Clackamas County. Our focus has been specifically on Goal 2, ensuring all residents of Clackamas County have affordable and culturally acceptable healthy food access. We pilot tested local initiatives and nuanced stories of minority populations. We found people of color, land community members, and low-income families, households with children and elders, rural inhabitants, and certain urban demographics to be more vulnerable to food insecurity.
Estamos hablando sobre los problemas que tenemos para obtener nuestros alimentos. Mi viaje habitual viene siendo de ida y vuelta, sería aproximadamente 1 hora más lo que me tardo en comprar los alimentos. Me gustaría que mi viaje fuera un poco más corto y cambiaría pues la distancia y encontrar todo en un solo lugar.
Among very many lessons, we learned that partnering with local community groups that have positive relationships in an existing area is crucial to any successful engagement event. And finally, just bringing some fun, celebration, and food into the community engagement process is so worth it, so worth the expense, both in getting community members to come to our engagement events, but also just in kind of creating that community building environment we were going for Walla.